In previous lessons, you've learned how to populate your test case with test steps. Now it's time to see if your test steps, test cases, and test case folders are working as intended. We can trial run them in the Scratchbook. This is particularly helpful when you build a new test case or you want to examine elements of a failed test case. In this lesson, we will cover how to run your test cases using Tosca's Scratchbook and how to effectively see and use the run results. There are a few ways to use the Scratchbook. The first way is to run the test objects directly. To do so, right-click on single or multiple folders, test steps or test cases, and click Run in Scratchbook. Alternatively, after selecting the objects needed, simply press F6. The second way is to run your objects via an already open Scratchbook. To access the Scratchbook, use the shortcut Ctrl+B or click the Scratchbook icon. Here, you can add the objects that you want to quickly test in any order. To do so, you can drag and drop only the relevant test steps into the Scratchbook. Then you can right-click and choose Run or press F6 to run. After execution, the results appear in the Scratchbook. If a test step fails, a red X appears next to the test step with log info explaining what happened. When everything runs correctly, the steps are marked with a green check mark. Within the Scratchbook, you can right-click on a test step, for example a failed test step, and select Jump to Test Step, or use the shortcut Ctrl+J to get back to that exact test step. You can call up the Scratchbook anytime. It will show the result of your last run if you haven't closed Tosca Commander in the meantime. However, as the log is not saved, once Tosca Commander is closed, the results will be lost.